Hello guys, visit our website www.srushti.patil.sp to buy craft materials at its best price. We have uploaded many new craft tools and materials. Go to the store page and click on All New Products category, then click on the All button. Here you can view all the freshly arrived materials. Now we have decoupage material, suspenso art materials, MDF boxes, metal charms, metallic colors, markers and many more. You can also click on the decoupage category. Now here you will see all the materials that we have for decoupage art. Or else suppose you are looking for metal charms or marker pens, then just select their category as shown. Now let's move towards our DIY tutorial. Photo frames are amazing. They make the wall and our home look beautiful and complete. They instantly grab attentions of guests and visitors, but sometimes they are expensive. So why not make our own photo frame? Today we'll be making paper photo frames. We need a 180 GSM paper which measures 33 cm by 29 cm. Now on the 33 cm side, make the following markings. Now join lines as shown. Next, on the 29 cm side, make markings as shown and join lines. Now on the 29 cm side, make markings at 2 cm in between the 15 cm part that we marked earlier. Next, make cross markings as shown in the video. It will look something like this. Links for this image will be given in the description below. Next, cut the colored portion with cutter as shown. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then click the red button below and press the bell icon to never miss any of our new videos. Now score all the lines using a scoring tool and then fold them using a bone folder. Follow the next steps carefully. Roll in the top and bottom folds as shown. Now roll in one of the side folds in the top and bottom folds as shown. To secure it in its place, use glue and stick them. Now take a clear plastic sheet of 19 cm by 15 cm and insert it inside the frame. Now you can insert any image inside this frame and then roll in the other side. You can stick this side as we did for the other side, or else if you are going to change different images in the frame, then you can leave it as it is. You can decorate this frame as you want and then add a small piece of double side tape on its back and stick it on your wall. Hope you like this DIY idea. Now you can decorate your room or desk without spending money. If you enjoyed this video, then like, share and comment your views about it below. Bye and I love you all.